Hey family, just a quick update on the corn, y'all. Look at our little new family member, y'all. Ghost. Isn't he beautiful? But just a quick update, y'all, on the corn. So, I guess it's been 2 days. 2 days. And we have tassels. And it was like literally 2 days they just started coming out. So we got some ears of corn down there that we got to pollinate. So what I did yesterday morning, y'all, and this morning, well, yesterday morning I came out and I, hold on. Okay, guys. So what I did was yesterday morning I came out here and I just took the corn and the tassel and just shook. You see the pollen coming out? Oh, I should have put a mask on, y'all. A mask. But I found out that when I do it in the morning, don't that much pollen come off of it to drop down to the silks. The silks, all the silks are attached to a kernel or a grain, whatever you want to call it, of corn. So all the silks need some of that pollen. Not the little dangly things, the dust pollen that you see coming out of it. So that pollen gotta fall on the silks to pollinate each kernel of corn. And I see some tassels down there at the bottom. Yeah, I'm so happy. This is my first go at corn. The harvest will tell. That's for sure. Let's see if I can do it again. I don't know if y'all can see the pollen. It's like dust. Not the little seed piece, but the dust. Oof. And then those tassels will be ready in like a couple of days. That's why we have to check our gardens every single day, sometimes multiple times a day. Sometimes multiple times a day. Because you learn something new every time. If you stay on top of it, it's kind of hard to even go wrong. But I wonder if y'all can see it. Y'all see the pollen on there? All that stuff there, that's the pollen. And those little rice looking things, that's what the pollen was in. But yes, guys, we will have corn. We will have corn. We will have corn. Okay, guys, that's going to be the end of the corn update as of now. Y'all make sure y'all thumbs up the video. Look at Ghost. Make sure y'all thumbs up the video. Leave your comments down below if you have any. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I will see you lovely people in the next video. Peace. Okay, guys, just a little bonus clip of how the silk start. That's why I said they come out so fast, because those on the other side were quick. And then it's another one. Let me see if I can see it. Right through there. This coming out. So, and these are the tassels for that one. So those tassels aren't ready. And neither are the silks. So they right on time with each other. Now, the ones in the that I just showed you in this video, the tassels came out like a week before the silks did. But it was still pollen on there, so we didn't miss no pollen. Okay, guys, it's the end of the bonus clip. Bye.